So young trees need a little bit of extra care in their first few years to ensure successful establishment. So the first thing to do is to check the tree tie. We've got to make sure it hasn't become too tight and start strangling the tree. So that's too tight, so we're going to have to loosen it a little bit. So as you can see, because it was too tight, it's been damaging the bark here, and if that was to be left like that, then it would start to strangle the tree. So those stakes are best left in for 2 to 3 years until the tree has become fully rooted. So keeping your trees watered during their first few years is very important, as they can easily suffer from drought stress in hot, dry conditions. Collect rainwater and use that wherever possible. Use a watering can to water. The amount of water you'll need will depend on your soil type, whether you're on a heavy clay or a sandy soil. When watering on a sandy soil, the water runs away very quickly, so it's best done frequently with small amounts. But with the clay soils, it holds water well. You can give it a large amount of volume at less frequent occasions. So it is possible to overwater, and this causes the roots to rot, and the symptoms of this may look a little bit like drought. If you're in any doubt, dig down to see how damp the soil is. It's important to keep the base of the tree clear of vegetation, because it intercepts rainwater from reaching the root system of the tree. To remove the vegetation, you can remove it with your hands manually or use an appropriate tool. So once the vegetation's been removed, it's best to apply a suitable mulch to keep the weeds at bay. Some of the benefits of mulch are that it helps to provide nutrients to the tree, and it prevents the soil from drying out. Once you've applied your mulch, you want to make sure that the base of the tree is kept clear so that the mulch doesn't rot off the bark of the tree. So I hope that's been helpful, and that with this information your trees will get off to a fantastic start.